Hello dear students, today we are solving the MTech QROR 2024 paper. Question number 2. The set of the positive real numbers x with the series. This is a divergent series. Now what you can say about this? Okay. So we need to do a little bit of simplification. An equal to, we can say it, an xn 1 by xn. Okay. So this is the an, we can write x to the power n, x to the power 2n plus 1. So now at case 1 we can take some values, x equal to 1 may, so we can write a n equal to 1 by n, 1 by n, so 1 by 2. Okay, a n. Next case 2, if x is greater than 1, so x to the power n greater than equal to x to the power minus n. For large n this is applicable, so the denominator is dominated by x to the power n, so a n is xn x to the power 2n equal to 1 by x to the power n. Thus for large n, a n behaves like a general term of a geometric series with the ratio r equal to 1 by x less than 1. Okay, so since a geometric series r less than 1 converges, so it converges for x greater than 1. Okay, case 3. Now 0 less x less 1. So then x to the power n tends to 0, n tends to infinity, x to the power minus n tends to infinity. In this case x to the power minus n tends to x to the power n. Okay, so the denominator x to the power n plus x to the power minus n is dominated by x to the power minus n. So this is x to the power n, x to the power minus n, so this will be x to the power 2n. So a n decreases exponentially and the series converges. Series is convergent for 0 less 1, and a n decreases in this way. Okay, so interpretation on this set is how many elements? There is exactly only one element in this, so option number B is the correct answer.